In this video, we will learn about extension trait. I need this concept to explain the relation between thread RNG and genRange function in rand crate in the next video. This is not for beginners. Let us create a Rust binary project. Extension trait is a trait like which extends the functionality of another trait. The implementers who implement extension trait must implement the base trait also. Let us see it in action. First, let me create a library within this binary application by creating lib.rs. Now let's create two traits, question and answer. Next, create a strut quiz and implement those two traits. While implementing answer trait, we call function from another trait. We can do this because of we already implemented question trait. Here, trait answer is depends on trait question. Let's run it. Here, if we only include quiz and question, we cannot call the function answer. The method answer needs strut quiz and traits answer and question. So we import all. In some cases, the trait may depend or may not depend, even though we need some functionality to configure or initialize this function, or this action can be done through some base traits. At that time, we have to implement those traits. Let's see it. Suppose if we have multiple traits with the same function name and is implemented by the strut quiz means what to do. Let us see that also. Here we have trait model question with function question, and it is also implemented by strut quiz. This arise some conflicts. We can solve this by extension trait, that is explicitly tells which trait is required. Here I explicitly tells the implementer of trait answer must implement trait question. In some cases, even the trait is not depends on another trait, but logically there may be some requirements or initialization. We need to implement or call the function from another trait before or within the current method call. Now let us remove the dependency and call the two methods. Now I commented the implementation of trait question. Even though the trait answer is not depends question trait, it complains about trait question is not implemented for the strut quiz. Let us make the answer function as a default function and make the implementation as empty and change the question method's definition. Now I commented question traits implementation. Now also answer trait compliance. This is what the power of extension trait. Thank you.